I would request all my students to put their microphone on to our champion of the day, Renette, who passed her exams with only one error that she done a good. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Bye bye bye, Renette.
Fantastic job.
Congrats. A good
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Bye.
Now all the mics are off, otherwise they'll not go on. And where are you, Renette? Put your mic on because I put all the mics off.
Okay, here I am at the top.
There. No, just a second. Renette, I can't see you. You're in the next room. There you are. Just a second. Let me drag you.
Move your hand.
Tracy, be careful. All right. Once again, Renette, talk.
Hi guys, Ambrish, my thank is just, it feels so humble to say thank you, and thank you doesn't feel as if it's enough. I must tell you that today when I walked out of the exam room and I was the last to be called and my heart was sitting in my throat, and I saw all of these sad people around me being told, sorry, sorry, sorry. And when the guy turned to me and he said, bene, bene, I didn't know what he meant. And I looked at him and I said, did I pass? Because he doesn't understand English. And he said to me, see. And Ambrish, I wish I could have told all of the students about you, because without Ambrish Quick Patente and without you, it would not have been possible. My Italian is so minimal. And this morning when I did my SCADA, the one before I met with you, and I got 7 mistakes. And I just thought, why am I going to write? Because this is a disaster. And, you know, then I joined with you and you just patiently went through my mistakes that I didn't understand. And immediately a calmness came over me. And I just thought, you know, I got the chance to make the mistakes. I got a chance for you to explain it to me. There's no ways, Ambrish, in the whole world that I would have been able to do it without you. I've done 2 Italian driver's courses before through university in Roma and a private teacher in South Africa. And here I arrive and I meet you. And what a pleasure, what a journey. I will become your marketer, because this is just, and you know what, another thing that I want to say, if I may, Ambrish.
Yes.
The students in the class will know who I'm referring to, but I made friends with fellow students, and the support system amongst us was so valuable. So apart from the fact that I only missed 1 class when I flew from South Africa to Italy, I was in class every day. Guys, I did my SCADAs like Ambrish told me, 7 a day. Sometimes it took me up to 8 hours of study to get through it. And Ambrish even at one stage said to me, Renette, you're doing too much. You're going too deep into it. Just do what I tell you. But you know what? It's your method works. You understand your students. You have patience with us. And this is just, you create magic. And I will become your marketer, because I have spread the word already here in Vipiteno. All of the kids that are failing, they come and they say to me, but who are you doing it with? Because we don't see you in the school. And I say to them, I'm with the best teacher in the world.
Thank you very, very, very kind. No, Renette, I'm very, very proud of you. And I was telling you that it was very important for me to be able to keep you in a calm state of mind, because you're a perfectionist and you want everything to be perfect. And so I said, you don't overanalyze things, take it nice and easy. I said, in the end of the exam, there won't be a shooting squad waiting for you. So do not worry. It's just take it as a game, and it would happen. Now, in the quiz we did last night and this morning at 6, and the things that I told you to do, all this was a help in order to face the exams without having a lot of fear, or did that, or you were still that too nervous in the end?
No, you know what? After this morning's class with you, a calmness came over me. And I did a bit of studying in the little bus on the way to the exam center, but I was really just looking at vocab from last night and this morning's SCADA that I didn't understand. And then I closed my books. And when I sat down, I sat upright. I did my 3.
Okay, don't tell them what we did, because people think I do magic. There's a TV, there's a publicity on a facial that this guy does magic. so people pass, because they see the most illiterate people are passing and the most educated people are passing together. And how is it possible? Because when people are talking, they could not understand Italian. How is it possible you go 0 errors and you are not even understanding what we are saying in Italian? So they thought it's a trick, but it's not. But anyway, carry on. Sorry, I didn't want to interrupt you.
You know what? So it's just, I think it's the calmness that you instill, and you give us confidence to go and write, because the method you teach just gives you all of the theory that you need. And all you need to do is just go and apply it. You know, it is really just a wonderful teaching method that you have, and I compliment you on that. Thank you so much, sir.
Well, thank you very much, Renette. I'm very happy and very proud of you, and all of us are. Everybody is happy because it means a lot to us, and it's a nice balsam to our souls listening to this testimonial. It gives us all nice and ray of hope. Okay, so all of us will be not jacked up and will be all ready to go. Thanks a lot, Renette. 4 days before a practical test, I'll be there for you again, and I'll be receiving all your friends. And whenever you feel like coming in the class, you're more than welcome. Okay, I'll be happy to see you. All right.
Thank you. Ciao, ciao, everyone, and good luck.
God bless you. Arrivederci.